Welcome to Business Loan Insider. My name is Amelie. Here we talk about business loans, funding opportunities, approvals, and insider tips that help entrepreneurs grow their businesses with the right financial knowledge. Let's begin. Today, we're going to talk about the complete process of buying a house in the United States. Purchasing a home is one of the biggest financial decisions most people make, and understanding each step of the process helps you make smarter and more confident decisions. The first step in buying a house is reviewing your financial situation and checking your credit score. A higher credit score can help you qualify for better mortgage rates and loan terms. Before applying for a loan, it is important to pay down debts. Avoid new credit inquiries and make sure your financial records are stable. The next step is saving for your down payment. Different loan programs have different requirements. Conventional loans may require anywhere from 3 to 20% down. FHA loans usually need around 3.5%, and VA loans for eligible veterans may require no down payment at all. Along with the down payment, buyers should also budget for appraisal fees, inspections, closing costs, and moving expenses. Once your finances are prepared, you should get pre-approved for a mortgage. During pre-approval, the lender reviews your income, employment history, credit report, and bank statements to determine how much you can borrow. A pre-approval letter strengthens your position when making an offer and helps you focus only on homes within your price range. After pre-approval, the home search process begins. Most buyers work with a licensed real estate agent who helps identify suitable properties, explains market conditions, prepares offers, and guides you through negotiations. When choosing a home, it is important to consider location, neighborhood quality, nearby facilities, commute distance, school districts, resale value, and long-term living needs, not just the appearance of the house. Once you find the right property and your offer is accepted, the next stage involves inspection and appraisal. A home inspection helps identify structural issues, safety concerns, and repair needs so you understand the true condition of the property. An appraisal is ordered by the lender to confirm that the property's value matches the purchase price. If issues are found, buyers may negotiate repairs or reconsider the purchase. Buying a house is not only about owning property, it is also about building long-term equity, financial security, and a stable future. With proper planning, the right guidance, and informed decisions, the home buying process becomes smoother, more confident, and more rewarding. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Your support means a lot. Stay connected for more business insights, and I'll see you in the next video very soon.